Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to extract zip files on laptop. First, open File Explorer to check the compressed file. Now select this file and at the top click Extract All. In the pop-up window, you can select where it will be extracted, as well as check the box to show the files when they are unzipped. Click Extract and you will see the contents of the zip file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.